What is this, your granddaughter's car, Steven?
My daughter's.
Your daughter's?
Believe it or not. Yeah, I had her a little late, but you know.
Okay, all right.
Most of my friends.
I'm not trying to make you
that's
feel
okay.
old, Steven.
She keeps me young, my friend.
I bet we can get it. We're gonna use the Witch's Brew iron remover, see if this is enough to get it. And I think it's fair to brush it around a little bit. That's a lot of damage, bro.
No, that's a lot of damage.
I'm gonna pre-soak my brush here with it, man. I'm using the flag tip brush from Auto Fiber. This is the green one, is the flag tipped one. It's like a medium stiffness. The blue one is nice and soft. Normally I use that on wheel faces. And the red one's really stiff for the rubber. I like the idea of this one for right in here. I think we need to get some leverage on this. Dude, that's a lot of purple.
Wow.
Whoa.
Is the purple saying it's heating it up?
Yeah, that's what it does when it hits iron. I mean, you got some iron there. Let's keep putting it on, bro. Come on. You could cut this stuff 3 to 1, you know, like 3/4 water and 1/4 of this stuff. So technically this would make a gallon of iron remover, like normal strength iron remover. But, you know, in this instance, I say let's just send it. I wonder how long we should let it cook. Probably the longer the better, you know. I haven't seen any issues with this stuff drying, so, you know, we could just stare at it. Isn't it beautiful? It's kind of a cool effect.
I like the color, if that's telling you it's working.
Hey, let's just get in there and move it around a little bit. And we've got a really good power washer here, so we'll have some impact with the pressure too. I wonder if we can bring it back. I'm just gonna get in there and try and make sure that it's got as much chance of success as possible. Sure would be sad if this was able to get it done without brushing it, and we would never know. I still see a lot of brown in there, I don't know. Even with brushing it. I mean, there's no question we'll make it better than it was. Let's reapply it and let it sit for a little while.
My daughter didn't believe me. I told her, I said, you know, they haven't never seen one like this, Madeline. They want to film this here.
Oh yeah, this is beautiful, dude. Let that sit for a few minutes and I'll go get the power washer and we'll see what we get off of it. I bet we'll get a good amount of it. Boy, that is really something though. Wow.
The ultimate test.
That is the ultimate test. You ain't kidding, man. I wonder how many years worth of brake dust that is. Better than it was.
Oh, absolutely.
But it's not as good as it could be though. Let's see if we can do another layer of this and let it sit there for a little while. Now this one here, man, I'm sure we can get this pretty good. I think this will be no problem. I'm curious more on this one to see what happens if we don't brush it. Let's get the rest of them too while we're here. Wow, boy, that is crazy, dude. It's almost like a camouflage kind of consistency. Going a little heavy with it on here, man. Now let's see that other one, see if it's got any purple coming out again. Yeah, we're still getting the purple. I think we would have to like let it sit on there for a while, man. To have any hope. This brush almost feels too soft for this application. I've got some stiffer detail brushes that might be useful in here too. Let's try one of those just to see if it'll do any more. This one's really stiff, man. I don't think you'd want to use that on a nice, shiny, fresh rim, you know, but like here it might just give us that little bit.
Scratches would be better than the dirt.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah, this is one of the coarsest detail brushes that I've ever worked with. And maybe you guys out there who are watching can just tell me, how do you do this? You were in our shoes. How would you get it done? Because we need to know. This is like probably the most brake dust I've ever seen, man. We don't have a soap for the curb rash either. No. That's another shortcoming, yeah. And dude, I'm gonna reapply. This is like some kind of, this is kind of like a UFC match, like a struggle. It's like me versus the wheel. And one more spritz, bro. We'll let that sit for a little while and then we'll just start rinsing off the other ones to see how far we can get with those. Let's see if the back one is able to be cleaned without any agitation. Not nearly as bad as the front one was.
No, that one's much better. Much.
And then this one, oh my God. It needs like a sandblaster, dude.
Yeah.
We're gonna hit it again, Steven. I'm not done yet, dude.
90% there.
Let's keep
I'm not
going.
done yet.
And while that's cooking, we'll just kind of do the same thing to these. I want to get all that out of there, bro. I don't want none of it left. This is definitely the brush for the job. Scratch the living heck out of it. Bob Ross would say, scratch the devil out of it.
See there, look at that.
Just let it keep going, man. Wow.
With the amount of stuff you guys see, I'm amazed that this happens to be one of the worst.
No, yeah, for real. It is
Yeah.
actually. This is great, though. I like to see something challenging and see what we can do. As stiff as this bristle is, I feel like I could even use more. Need like some kind of wire wheel or something. At what point do you like take the wheel off and bring it to a sandblaster and then just like
Probably,
repaint it?
I was probably there.
The only thing keeping you from not moving out.
This one brings me hope, though. We'll take this a little further in the alkaline direction too. We'll throw some heavy duty on it next. You know, hit the rubber. Just get it pretty good. Scratch the devil out of it, bro. Dude, that's crazy, dude. I can't believe how bad that was. All right, I'm gonna put this stuff away so I'm not tempted to do another round. We'll give him the full treatment. We'll get him good, bro. That's about as good as I can get it. Unless the next step with heavy duty can take it further. Now let's see what we can do with this.
What is this bad boy now?
This one's got the heavy duty in it straight, bro. This one might help a little more at this stage. We'll definitely get the rubber good. Trying to get that angle, bro. Oh man, I'll tell you what, Tyler. All these people worried about our truck soaps being too harsh for cars. They're not harsh enough, apparently. I feel good about that. Look at the wheel, dude. That last pass with heavy duty got the last of it. That actually got all of it, dude. Yeah, the full range. Which is Brew to break it down and then heavy duty to take it all the way. Get it at Steven's face.
Come on. Man, that's gorgeous.
I'm telling you.
I thought we'd be here. He says he's gonna do it until it's gone. I'm thinking, I better go get my fireworks. That's pretty damn good, huh?
I think we got it, man.
Yeah, I'm impressed.
It's like going to the dentist, you know?
Is that right? Yeah. You just need to do a root canal on this.
Yeah.
This was major. But we don't have to cap it. It looks good.
Throw a little stars and stripes on it real quick.
Yeah.
There you go. Boy, the water behavior, Tyler, you know what we can do. That is flat, bro. What about the hood? Problems.
What is all of that?
It means there's no protection on the paint, Steven. We gotta fix it. Here, get it. Steven, what's your thoughts on this so
Unbelievable, especially this part here. I mean, the whole thing. I'm going to take it back. Take the car back from my daughter now. Absolutely beautiful.
Oh. Thank you for giving us a challenge,
That
sir.
is absolutely wonderful. I didn't think you could beat this. Can you imagine if the tires were like decent? You know, if you only had to do the...
We spent the majority of the time getting that brake dust off.
brake dust off.
The rest of it
Yeah.
was like 5 minutes. Nice, man. Looking
Thank
good.
you. That's excellent.
Gonna get a few after shots, Tyler.